Hi folks, and welcome back to another Travels of Red Rover. I'm Shawn, and Corinne has decided to take the night off, so I'm out here filming by myself. Tonight we are at Gooseneck State Park. This is very similar to another location that's close to called the Horseshoe Bend near Page, Arizona. This is a beautiful state park. Corinne and I are one of 3 campers here tonight, so it's a very quiet park. And we have the place pretty much to ourselves, and it's just a gorgeous spot to shoot. Large flowing river, the San Juan River, flowing around all of these goosenecks. So it's an interesting spot, and I hope you enjoy the video. So this is what the typical gooseneck looks like. There are a number of them here along the side. This one we have the sun pretty much directly to the right, and it's side lighting it and then giving us big shadow on the one side, and then a kind of a bright river area on the, shadowing on the left side, and then a big river area on the right hand side. So it's a fairly pretty area. Now you'll notice I'm not using any sky because the sky is just bright blue behind me. I'm hoping as the sunset comes on.
Unfortunately, I lost the audio at this point. The wind was blowing so hard. So I'll just have to fill you in here a little bit. We're shooting this right as the sun is setting. What I'm trying to do is get the last of the golden red light shining on the edges of the hills around the gooseneck. Hopefully that will come out, and here's the shot.
I just finished shooting a panorama, and we're about 10 minutes before sunset. So a lot of the bend now is in shadow, and you're just getting the fringes now with a little bit of light on them. So I'm going to wait and see what happens when the sun fully goes down here, and see if we get a little bit of color in the sky in the south. With the sun being fully down, it's now possible to see the entire gooseneck, including the river going around the edge of it. Unfortunately, I've got a bit of an overhang in front of me, and I can't quite see the river right in front of me on this particular gooseneck, which is a little unfortunate, but not a huge problem. The river going up either side is still quite lovely and is now reflecting whatever light is left in the sky. With no high clouds tonight, I'm not expecting to get a lot of reflection tonight, and this is probably going to go away here relatively quickly.
We also happen to be at Gooseneck State Park at the right time of year to do a little drone work. Mind you, at this point, we were the only people in the park, so we weren't going to disturb anybody. I hope you enjoyed this very short video today, and if you did, please give us a thumbs up, and if you'd like to keep track of us, please subscribe. And as always, when you want to know when we release a video, hit that little bell button. And as always, if you'd like to leave us a comment, a thought, or an idea, we love hearing from you. And until next time, bye for now.